Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio Verify for phone authentication in React Native, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Twilio Verify for phone authentication in React Native, start by creating a new React Native project. Open your terminal and run the command to initialize a new project. Once your project is set up, navigate into the project directory. Next, install the required dependencies for Twilio Verify. You will need to install Axios for making HTTP requests. Run the appropriate command to add Axios to your project. After that, visit the Twilio website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console and find the Verify section. Create a new Verify service and note down the service SID. Next, generate a new API key and secret under the Twilio console's API keys section. With all the necessary credentials ready, open your React Native project in your preferred code editor. Create a new file for your API service, where you will handle the Twilio Verify operations. In your API service file, import Axios. Set up your Twilio Verify service by initializing a base URL and the necessary headers. Next, create a function to send an OTP to the user's phone number. This function will take a phone number as an argument and send a request to the Twilio Verify API. Handle the API response appropriately, returning success or failure. Now, create another function to verify the OTP entered by the user. This function will also take the phone number and OTP as arguments. Again, send a request to Twilio Verify's verification endpoint. Handle the response to confirm whether the OTP is valid. Next, create a component in your React Native app that will allow users to enter their phone number. Implement an input field that captures the phone number. Add a button for sending the OTP to the entered phone number. Upon clicking the button, call the function to send the OTP. Now, create another input field for the user to enter the OTP they receive. Add a button for verifying the OTP. Link this button to the OTP verification function you created earlier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.